furahia undugu na uko wetu.
Kiwatho miaka 18 niho Mukenya andikithagio na akegwatira gibande undu uria ni kuga riu ati watho umutambulite mundu kiumbe na kambuni ya Safaricom yatungio gibande. Igongona ni ria gutinia keki ya ukenera miaka 18 ya utorania wa kambuni ino. Michael Joseph murugamiriri wa tene wa kambuni ino oya kanya gaka gututwarithia ikinya gwa ikinya ari rugendo rwa kambuni ino kuma uria yambiriirie thini wa kambuni ya Telcom Kenya.
You guys have to remember, Vodafone put in $20 million for its 40% share. That was the entire investment in Safaricom ever. No other money has ever been put into Safaricom other than that $20 million.
Ona wira wake uria ingitumukenagirira awonire na njira ya mwanya toria aratwira.
Sitting on a bus in Spain going to some barbecue or something like that, sitting next to a guy, and he said to me, "Oh, he's just come back from Kenya. They just finalized the deal. They just consummated the deal in Kenya." I said, "Oh, Kenya, I've never been to Kenya. I'd love to go to Kenya." He said, "Would you go to Kenya?" I said, "Absolutely," because of course I was talking about the migration, the wildlife and all this stuff. The next day I got a call, I went for an interview, the next day I was on a plane to Kenya.
Mafuku agakunura na akaririkana uritu kambuni ino yari naguo ikiambiriria kuria ona mashini cia moyagira moko iguru.
The following Monday the network collapsed completely. And there I was, now what do I do now? Because we bought the cheapest possible system that we could buy. It was not an iron platform, it was before the iron platform, and it just was run from Dubai, and we ran out of capacity.
I know that.
It was really, really troublesome for me in my first week of Safaricom.
Michael Joseph agaturirikaniariria kadi cia thimu ciari cia goro na akahingura ngoro hari kiria giatumire maundu macenjie.
If you remember, the lowest denomination scratch card at the time was 250 bob. That was the lowest. I think it was a lion or something like that on the card. The big 5 was on our scratch cards. Can you believe it? How innovative we were at that time. Anyway, so I wanted to launch a 100 shilling scratch card. And the reason we wanted to launch a 100 shilling scratch card, and this is one of the reasons for the success of this company, and I hope it continues that way, is our target market was always, it was never you.
No.
And I think I told you that once. It was not you, not my target market. The target market was the man and the woman who came to work in the matatu.
Utungata wa M-Pesa uriocenjetie mwikire wa maundu thini na nja wa bururi wa Kenya ni mamwe ma maria kambuni ino irahagira na tukirwo uria riciria riri riakinyanire.
When Nick Hughes came to me and said, "I've been to all these other companies in Vodafone, nobody wants to test this product. Will you test this product for me?" which allows microfinance institutions to distribute their loans and to collect the repayments. That was the original idea. This is quite an interesting story. This is in 2006. I said, "Yeah, let's try it." And we trialed it, and we trialed it in Thika. I think some people here will remember this. And what was happening, when we sent the money to these people, the microfinance sent the money to these people, they actually sent it to somebody else.
Yes.
And using a software, Pauline Squeaks, here they are, she was involved in doing this. And we suddenly said, they came back to me, I think actually Pauline, we call her Squeaks, I don't know why, but that's her name. No? Her name is Pauline. She came to me and said, "We can do something with this. Yes. We can change the software and we can make it that we can send money to people."
Kambuni ya Safaricom riu ni etogoretie ari kambuni cia motungata ma thimu thini wa bururi na igatambulika utungata-ini wa M-Pesa thini wa thi itiganite. Hello. Ino ni thimu ya Safaricom igikuria we mwirori kana no ririkane ria thimu yari imwe thini wa itura ria ona kana riria gutari no tungata wa M-Pesa rugendo rwa miaka 18 na riu kambuni ino ikauga ina gibande na ni nginya ni rugwe kama maundu maria mothe ingibatara gukorwo igikana kwoguo maundu no gukura magukura. Handu-ini ha metha ya wonjoria Kameme TV ria kwaritwa ni Njuguna Wanganga.